How to use LinkedIn to get more sales. LinkedIn is one of those platforms that has been underused by various businesses to actually generate more leads and grow your business. Because many people, when they talk about social media, the focus is always highly concentrated on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. But LinkedIn is one of those platforms that is so powerful and still highly underutilized for the purpose of growing business, especially when you are dealing in really some professional business, because LinkedIn is a professional platform. But we are going to, in this lesson series on using LinkedIn to grow your business, or your LinkedIn marketing strategy, we're going to be looking at how do you use various strategies. Four main LinkedIn strategies. The first one is LinkedIn articles. We're going to be talking about using LinkedIn to position your business through articles. The second thing we'll talk about is LinkedIn groups. How do you grow your business? How do you have massive followers? We're going to be talking about the role of LinkedIn groups and how it can actually be a strategy for you to grow your reach and also to grow your business. LinkedIn text acts just like Facebook Messenger and back channel on the Clubhouse, back channel on Instagram. It's similar to this. How do you use these to interrupt people's daily life and be able to position your business using LinkedIn Text Act? We would look at this in this series. And finally, we'll talk about LinkedIn email ads. Email ads. How do you use LinkedIn email ads to be able to grow your business and advance your purpose? So one of the things, or the other strategy that we'll be talking about, is LinkedIn Premium. LinkedIn Premium. Various people, or majority of the people on LinkedIn, are not premium members, but if you pay for premium membership, you're going to see how you can use this as a strategy to grow your business. And finally, we'll talk about LinkedIn's biggest secret. So let's get into this series and explore how LinkedIn can be used and leveraged to advance your business, to grow your brand, to position you in the market so that you generate many more leads, generate sales, and grow your business. So the first thing you have to ask is, why LinkedIn? So the first important point is LinkedIn has more professionals than any other forum. LinkedIn used to be considered the CV platform, and here you have more qualified people, professionals, than any other social media platform. The second thing is LinkedIn is the only platform that is actually accepted in China, unlike Facebook and others that don't exist. So with LinkedIn, it gives you even a wider reach to some potential clients that you could not reach using other social media platforms. LinkedIn for business connection. So you can use LinkedIn to connect business to business, and you see people listing their businesses and talking about the things they do. So you are able to connect on LinkedIn. So the LinkedIn average income is over 6-figure in comparison to Facebook and others, where everyone is on Facebook. So the average income on Facebook and other social medias is far lower than that of LinkedIn. And another thing is LinkedIn is actually a channel for you to get talent. If you're looking to grow your business, you're looking to get more qualified people to draw or to be part of your team and to expand your business, LinkedIn would be one of those places where you can actually go there and meet the right people. So we are going to be talking in the next video on LinkedIn articles, as we would explore each of these strategies one after the other. So we would talk about LinkedIn articles. Thank you for watching, and I would see you in the next video.